Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to quickly show you how to check the oil on a Honda NC750X. Okay, I'm going to use a method that does not require a paddock stand or a center stand. I do have a paddock but not a center stand, but I want to show you for people at home that does not have a center stand nor a paddock stand. First up, let the bike idle, ride it or let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it warm up nicely. The bike is idling, it's warming up. I'm going to show you now what we're going to do next. Okay guys, the bike is now heated up, it's normal working temperature. After that, you need to let the bike stand 2 to 3 minutes. Let the oil seep back to the bottom. Put it up against the wall very carefully. Bend the mirror up. Put it against the wall. Keep the center stand down so that if it should fall down, that it falls on the stand. Now I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay guys, next up, take the dipstick out. Wipe it off with a clean rag. There you go. Put it in. Do not screw it in. And pull it out. There you go. There's your oil level. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.